2016, I think, at the time after the BEO tournament happened in Mysore. It was Dabaki's first big tournament as a team, and the Dabaki people come back to college and they just keep going on and on about how amazing it was as a tournament, about how much fun they had in the dorms, and the entire experience for them. So if you were someone who used to hang out a lot with them and you were not a part of that experience, you were really compelled to go and play with them the next time. So soon enough, I just landed up at NCJ one day, and I think one thing that I really took back from those initial days was, even if I don't really become a great ultimate player, it's fine. But if I keep coming back often, I would really become a good human being. I just kept coming back and back and back, and it's been 4 years now. It's been a nice journey. Growing up, I think we used to play gully cricket right outside the house, and that was probably the everyday sport in my life. Football was my primary interest in high school and then into college as well. And once college started, I think I wasn't in very great shape. I spent most of the time in my high school doing nothing apart from studying. So I started running. I started running with my brother initially, and we just used to go on these very small runs, probably a kilometer or two. And then once I started running more and more, I think I just felt comfortable. It also helped me just clear out my thoughts, because I was with myself, no one to talk to, and I just had to figure out things when I was running. So I think those times when I ran, I think I could really think straight, and I had a lot of discussions with myself. I got sucked into running as soon as I entered my first year in college. I think the first tournament that I played, it was with the Dabaki team. It was a college tournament, and I really think of it a lot of times, and I feel happy about it because I didn't have any idea of how the sport was played in a tournament format, and I didn't really know how matches took place, and I just went in because the entire gang was there, and you didn't want to miss out on such an event just because you didn't know how to play the sport, because that didn't matter at all. So we all just went, we had fun. I think we ended up winning the third place or the Spirit Award. I think it was the Spirit Award, and I think it just culminated with so much happiness that at the end of the day, no one even really talked about Ultimate. And I think every tournament is a very memorable experience, just because at the end of the day, it's not about Ultimate. It's about just spending time with other people. I took it up as a challenge, firstly to get better at Ultimate myself as a player, and also to obviously learn the traits of leadership and imbibe as much as I could from other people, as much as I wanted to impart something to them. We got to go up against a lot of good teams who were playing really well at that point of time. I think our entire team, the TIX2 team, really felt motivated to just give their heart out in every match they played. And the best part is, there was no pressure of winning any match, I think, which helped us a lot, because at the end of the day, we could always joke about what happened wrong or what we could have done and we didn't end up doing. I think the biggest encouragement that I got at that point of time was from KK, who was also the captain of the team at that point of time. He really wanted me to take the mantle from him, and he wanted to push me as a leader more than he being the captain of the team himself. As a team, we really showed what we were capable of doing at a lot of situations. It was only a matter of consistency where we couldn't keep it up with the other teams. We were all at different phases in our lives where different things were our focus back then, and we really could not get every person on the team to focus on Ultimate. And we just thought, hey, you know what, if you can't come to practice, it's okay. You can just come over to the tournament and you can just give it all your got. So that attitude or that approach probably was our biggest downfall, because we really had a lot of people who could not make it to practice but then eventually made their way to tournaments, and they were disappointed that they could not contribute as much. But I still believe that had we stuck together more, had we played a lot more Ultimate together, I think we would have really progressed over the next season as well. People who made it to practice consistently are really doing well right now, and the progress that started back in 2018 is actually reaping fruits in 2020. That is the biggest takeaway that I can see out of Tix 2 or the 2018 season in itself, because the people who are really determined to put in that work and to get better, they are seeing results now. So I'm really happy about that. I like two teams. I like DOD, I like Flywild. The match which really made an impact in my life was BU 2017, the finals between DOD and Flywild, and I thought that the level of competition that these two teams exhibited on that day was phenomenal. I think there's a lot of structure that DOD brings into the team. The way they practice, the way they prepare themselves for tournaments, the way they execute what they planned in every tournament that they play, it's beautiful to watch. And I think Flywild, I think their raw talent, the physicality and their athleticism and their humbleness, the humility that they show in spite of them being the best. So I think there's a lot to learn from these teams. I really look up to everyone who puts in so much effort to ensure that they look effortless while doing their craft. Manipa and AP for their offense, even after probably cutting 25-30 times in a single point, they would just keep going at the disc effortlessly, and that eagerness to get the disc no matter how tired they were, I think it's just phenomenal. And Pawan is putting in the work right now. It's very motivating to see someone, in spite of the situation that we are in, to constantly just keep going towards a goal that they are dialed in towards. I like the way Meghna plays. She's just so passionate about the sport. It just reeks out of every conversation that anyone has with her. She's also very motivated to do better all the time. She's never satisfied with her performance, and it's very infectious. Sanjay from Flywild, his composure and the range of throws that he has is mind-blowing. I think I credit a lot of how I am today as a person to my dad. I really learned the art of being patient for things and for being calm and to only speak when required from him. And it's molded my way through all these years. Being that patient, calm, collected person on the field always helps the team no matter what the situation is. If you're leading, great. If you're not, being patient helps, because everyone is losing their heads and you probably can be that one single person that people come to and talk to. I don't really believe showing out how much you want it really gets you that. It's more about the work you do, it's more about how you are and what luck has in favor for you. Tix is that safe bubble for me. It's that very comfortable bubble for me that has evolved in its comfort levels over the last 4 years, I would say. It's that place that I would like to always go back to. It's that place where I have the most fun, and it's the place where I'm most happiest. Family is a very cliched term to use, but at the end of the day, that's what it is. Play a match of Ultimate. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Have breakfast later on at Dadri. But I'll need to be very specific. I think that's a nice way to start. True happiness for every individual is really in those fleeting moments where you never really believed you could do it, but you went out and you did it. So I think those are probably the experiences that I want to pursue, and I think that's where I will really be myself, and I will also be really happy. And I also want to do it with the people who have been a very, very integral part of my life. So I think, I am looking forward to a lot of things. Hopefully it happens soon.